안녕하세요. Welcome to Paperclip's extended version. Okay, today we are talking about rock, scissors, paper or rock, paper, scissors. Right, so I was confused about this, so I just wrote it down like rock, paper, scissors. But yeah, so anything is okay. So rock, paper, scissors. You know what I mean, right? So this is a game, playing games. So I just wrote this, and then let's learn it in Korean. Okay, so before we begin, so I want you to know this verb 내다, 뭐뭇을 내다 or 뭐뭐를 내다. So 내다, yeah, actually this verb has a lot of meanings. Like maybe if you just look into the dictionary, you will find like at least like more than 10 definitions about this. So it is very yeah, that means this verb is very common, and then yeah, we use it a lot. Okay, so I want you to know this word 내다. So in this case, maybe I would say give in is more closer than other meanings. So you can say that. So 내다. What is this? Yeah, this is rock. In this case, we call it 바위. Right, so this is the same meaning. So 바위, rock, 바위, rock. So what about stone? Stone in Korean. The stone is smaller than rock, right? So we call it 바위 when it comes to rock. In terms of stone in English, so we can call it 돌, just 돌. Okay, so don't forget this. 돌, 바위. Okay, and then what about this? Scissors, right? So you might have a question. So because the scissors, this is a plural. So is this also plural expression? No. So 가위, we just consider it as singular object, right? So a singular object. But yeah, you can say that in English they consider it as like plural because yeah. So yeah, with two wings or two objects, they can just cut it something, right? So scissors, but in this in Korean, yeah, we consider it as singular, right? So it's not that important, right? Okay, and then what is this? This is paper, right? So paper. So what is liter paper in Korean? Do you know that? Right, so it's not 보 actually, it's 종이. 종이 is paper. 종이, like A4 paper, like A4 sheet. So we call it 종이. Okay, so what about this? So yeah, what did it come from? 보. 보 came from 보자기. What is this? This is like wrapping cloth. Right? When we are young or like 30 years old or 30 years ago or 40 years ago, so we used to wrap something in a cloth, right? So we call it 보자기. So that's why we called 보 like this, 보자기, 보. Okay? And then, so this is so interesting. 안 내면 진 거 가위바위보. I'm not sure if you know this, noticed this. So if before we begin play rock paper scissors or rock scissors paper, we always maybe 99% of cases we always sing this song first. Okay, so it's not a song, it's more like a signal. Okay, so 안 내면 진 거 가위바위보, and then so right maybe right after 보, and then we can just give in like rock scissors paper, just like that. Okay, so this is so important, right? So maybe in dramas or maybe in like variety shows, so you might have seen it, I assume, right? So 안 내면 진 거 가위바위보. This is so common and yeah, super common. Okay, so what does it mean? It means if you don't join, you lose. Rock, paper, scissors. That's what it means. Okay, so 내다, so like we just saw it before, and then 내다 in this case we can yeah, so we can see it as give in or turn in, right? So if you just join this game, and then you can say 내다. Okay, so 안 is negative expression. So if you don't give in your one of threes, and then you will be considered lost. The 진거. The 거 is informal of 것 formal. And then 가위바위보. Okay, and then right after bo, and then we just play. We just start play. Okay? Okay, so let's practice. 안 내면 진거 가위바위보. Don't forget this rhythm and this melody. Okay? 안 내면 진거 가위바위보. That's it for today.